This book will help you build a business. This book will help you break bad habits and start new habits that are very positive. It doesn't matter if you're an old person who thinks life is over and you can't accomplish something, or whether you're a teenager struggling with what you're going to do in life, or if you're already in business, it'll help you run it better than you've been managing it before. I'm Bud Stumbaugh, and I've written a book entitled Do the Best You Can't. My book breaks a rule that took a lot of guts to break, because I questioned Momma's wisdom, and we all know Momma was always right, except when she told us, do the best you can. My book says anybody can do what they can do. If you really want to make an impact on life, you've got to do what you can't do. The Wright brothers were told you can't fly an object heavier than air. Rosa Parks was told you can't ride in the front of the bus. My book will help you do the best you can't. If you write a book, you ought to practice what you write. And I do, because people say at 82 years old, I can't jog 3 miles a day, but I do. If you read this book, you'll feel like you're 40 as I do, and you'll practice a lot of things you thought you can't do. The good thing about my book is it is so useful to a wide spectrum of people. It will help you do the best you can't, and people will be talking about what you achieved, the odds that you overcame, and they'll be inspired to overcome odds and do the best they can.
Bud will personally add this book presented to Name of Person from your name, along with a personal message of encouragement if requested. Order today at www.dothebestyoucan't.com.